love the hair. It looks so good.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight.
So hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are good. If you are new here, my name is Amore. So today I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial, and the hair is provided by Missamorehaircare. I love this hair, I love the quality. So I got my hair installed by SSB Lounge on Instagram. She did an amazing job. It looks so good. I also cut it a little bit as I like it this length, and added curls. It looks so good. I love this look. I hope you guys like it. So we are going clubbing for my little sister's birthday today. 18. She turned 18 yesterday, so I'm taking her clubbing, me and my other sister. And I just did my hair. I love it. The color looks so nice. I really like this hairstyle. It looks so pretty. Just curled it. I cut it a little bit. So the inch I had initially was 26 inches. It's called Honey Highlight Wig, but I cut it into, I don't know what length this is, because I thought it would look really cute, especially with my outfit. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is my outfit to go out clubbing. I think it looks so nice with the hair, especially with how I've cut it. But yeah, I love the hair. It looks so good. I don't really wear colour much. I used to when I was younger, so I'm really loving this. So make sure you watch the video. Comment down below what colour you want to see me do next, or what hairstyle you want me to do next. And let me know what you think of this hair colour in the comments down below. So look at the gorgeous wig. So nice. I love the colour. I've already bleached the knots. It was so easy to do. I'm so surprised. Like, it lifted so quickly.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my baby, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
it, could keep my love. You too excited, yeah. You want a paper plane, I'm the one, yeah. Wonder why your girl always want you, yeah.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't no bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls.
So as you can see, the lace looks really good and the colour really complements my skin tone. I don't really do colour like I used to, but I'm really loving this. I think it really complements my skin tone and it really goes with my look I'm wearing today. So I'm so happy I installed it. But yeah, it's so pretty. I feel really cute. I can't wait to go out, take some content. This should be really nice. I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot. This is going to be one of my go-to wigs because this looks really nice. And I'm going out tomorrow, so I think with my Yagi tracksuit, this will look really nice as well. So I'm going to look so cute tomorrow. But yeah, I just curl the ends and put hairspray in it. It looks so cute. Just a simple hairstyle, and I tucked it behind my ear as I wanted my earrings to show. But yeah, simple look. This wig was so easy to install. The hairstylist had no issue with it. The colour looks really nice. Definitely feel like if you're my colour, you should venture out. Try something new. You won't regret it. So make sure you subscribe, like and share. Love you guys. Bye.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.